Hi guys, today we have another behind the scenes video. Matching the location and the model's outfit is very important as it makes the photo aesthetically pleasing. So in this video I will show you 3 looks and how I relate them to the location. There are no strict rules, this is just how I see things. When looking for a location for a photoshoot, I try to match the style of the clothes with the vibe and colors of the location. For the first look, we match the messy location with the grunge style of the model. I really love the light here, and the orange top has a nice contrast with the greenery. Usually people relate grunge style with the urban location, but sometimes it can work with different places. The second look is that super summery dress. It makes me think about tropical vacation. This time we were in the city, so I chose to shoot in the bushes. First of all, orange and green again, but mostly because I could ask my model to move further between the plants, and with the help of my Tamron 70 to 200mm lens, I can cut her out of the surroundings. So it looks more exotic. The white again was very cool. Gary was in the shadow, but the color of the street was very light, so it acted as a natural reflector. You can see the catch light in her eyes in these close-ups photos. I have a question for you. Does it look like she is on vacation in these pics? The last look I can call Summer in the City. We start the shoot in front of this building, which I love, but the light didn't really work for me. So we moved to the sunny street. At this point, the battery of my phone died, so I can't show you any footage, but take a look at the photos. That's it for this photo shoot, guys. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up or better yet, subscribe for more content like this. Bye!